Spice things up with healthy blackened cod. Mix all the spices to make your blackened seasoning. Sprinkle blackened seasoning on all sides of the fillets, using your hands to coat the fish evenly. Heat the olive oil in a sauté pan over medium-high heat. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes on each side or until the fish is fully cooked and flakes easily. In a food processor, combine avocado, Greek yogurt, fresh cilantro, and fresh lime juice. Blend until smooth and creamy. Serve the blackened cod over quinoa and top with the avocado salsa.